right, guys. Today we're talking about our second of the 5 selves. We've mastered self-esteem. We're going to move our way into self-concept. All right, and we will learn that through Taylor Swift. So the bell work word is self-concept, understanding who we are via our talents, values, and beliefs. Our agenda is the how, right? We're going to have some extra bell questions than usual. We have a little musical warm-up for our brains, right? We have some songs of self-concept via Mrs. Swift, and we have a self-concept video and some pair card questions. There's all kinds of stuff. So as you click here, just some stuff on the Google form to answer. There's no wrong answer. Why self-concept? So we understand our beliefs, values, talents. And I think that Taylor Swift's videos, you can kind of see how they change for her. Just in all facets, from the type of music to the lyrics, the content of the lyrics, to even the demographics of who's in the video. Excuse me. The core values, relationship, commitment, and discipline. Well, it's really hard to understand any of this stuff if we don't stand for anything, right? We need to know our values, our talents, and our beliefs, and then we can kind of go forward with them. So, usually the lost stand for nothing, the found stand for something, and the elite have total conviction, or they believe and achieve fully. We're also going to watch a little ode to Billy Joe. So write down, what do you think happens to Billy Joe in your Google form, right? It's a pretty old school song. We have our different songs we're going to listen to at Taylor Swift. So I got our playlist. Songs of self-concept. So we start with really young Taylor Swift doing Mine. You're going to rate her on 1 to 5, 5 being the most confident. Going to Means, sort of probably got a 10, 12-year-old song of hers, right? And again, 1 through 5 on her self-concept. As she grows older, we'll look at Shake It Off. Again, 1 through 5, make sure you rate it and kind of read the lyrics. Read my bolded points, right? Bolded. And then Blank Space. So now she's got its coherent self-narrative, which is something that we're going to do towards the end of the year. A couple little pair card exit questions for you. So those are also on your form. And then we will do the mood profiling quiz. This gives you like a nickname for the kind of like mood you're in at the moment. So it's not something that's constant. And then you can add it to your actualization plan. You're probably going to have to add it yourself because I didn't discover this until the other day. So hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Shake it off. Shake it off.